I wanna show you how to add the pop-up text in Premiere Pro. Let's go! At the beginning, you have your audio file. Just extend it in the way that you can see every word that you say. Go to your text tool and let's write the first word. Cut it and position your text above the audio frame where you say this word. By edits, you can modify also the type of the text, and of course the size. Don't forget to align the text in the center. The following step is: go to scale and switch it on. Instead of 100, just write 0. Then with your arrow, move your timeline 3 times and write 90. Then again move your timeline frame 3 times and write 120. And again move your timeline frame 3 times and write 100. As the result, we have the first effect. Copy and paste the text as much as you need it. You can also modify the time frame as you want. Guys, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.